Hi, pottery friends. I promised you a complete video about this one, from start to finish. I have all the footage. I stopped here. I had other plans, but it took too long. She got to dry and so on. So this is when I called it finished. This is bone dry with wax and all the outlines filled in and such. And then, because it was almost bone dry, I was hoping to put her in the next kiln. I put her in the sun for that last bit of drying. And guess what? I was not happy. All these hours of work. But as I do not have an end result, I'm obviously not going to fire this. Let me know if you still want to see that whole video. It's a long video, it's hours and hours of work, and I of course will edit and do my thing with it. But let me know if you still want to see that video. If not, that's fine. I will be thinking about another project for you guys. So yeah, unfortunately, that didn't work. Let me know in the comments. I need a couple of yays before I start editing all those hours of making this. Okay? Let me know. See you soon.